guys, my name is Anas Khan and welcome to Anas View. Yes, that's my name for my reviews. Yes, today we're going to review a new, not a new book, but one of my favorite books and the latest in the Heroes of Olympus series, House of Hades. This is a Danish cover, so today I'm going to like review it, breakdown of the cover, and in the ending, a spoiler review. So today, to start off this review, I will talk about the cover. As you can see, when you see it first time, you see Annabeth and Percy. Annabeth and Percy standing nice together, standing together. And you can see that Percy, maybe you can see it, but Percy is like looking back, like he's looking at something big, maybe Hades or something like that. It's not Hades. I'm just doing, okay? That was not a spoiler. He's looking back at something frightening, something like, and they are with at the death of doors or doors of death. This is Danish. I didn't read the English version, but yeah, doors of death I think it's called. And yeah, as you see down there is water, as is Percy's special power, and there's lava, and I think there's like snow over here. And yeah, there's like chains holding a big elevator door, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. This is pretty awesome. There's also some trees here, and yeah, let's get to it. This as if you haven't read the Percy Jackson books, what are you doing? Read them. Then read the House of Heroes series, and then come back to this video when you have read it. So yeah, also in the House of Heroes, this is like there's three or four, sometimes every 7 chapters within other person's perspective. And yeah, this is every 7, but it's mostly about the 4 of them: Percy, Annabeth, Frank, and Hazel. I won't get into this but I will give it a 4 out of 5. And yeah, it's leading up to the last book. As you can see in the ending, it's leading up to this huge battle that's going to happen, I think. Yeah. So the author, Rick Riordan, check his book out. He makes awesome books. If you want to like have a good read, sit down, read this one. Is best book I ever read before. So yeah, let's get into the spoilers. Okay, so Percy and Annabeth is in Tartarus now. They are as in the last book. Okay, this is spoilers for like every Percy Jackson series, and some spoilers for Percy Jackson series, and like spoilers for all the books in the House of Heroes of Olympus series, HOO series, as I can say. So yeah, let's go into it. Hey, as I said, Hazel, Frank, and Percy and Annabeth are like the dramas. The drama is over here, okay? And then there's Pepper and Jason over here, and Leo. Yes, also Leo. Okay, Leo. Leo is also big. I forgot about him, but yeah, Leo is also big. Okay, let's get to spoilers. I will like tell you the whole story, and I will say if I like it or don't like it. So Percy and Annabeth in Tartarus fall down in 9 days. In the book, in last book, it took off as has gone on. In the last book, in Mark of Athena, it ended with a cliffhanger where Percy and Annabeth is falling down to Tartarus, and they can't save them because Percy gave fell down to Tartarus with Annabeth, and now they dare. The giants are. Okay, so my favorite character in this book is Bob, and the giant Palermus, I think his name is. No, it's let me wait, okay? Sorry. Damocin, that was the name, Bob and Damocin. So, Damocin and Bob, Damocin is the friendly giant, and in the prophecy it said that enemies will stand together with the doors of death, and what they meant was a titan and giant and a demigods, 2 demigods, and they usually don't fight together, and that was the prophecy. They thought it was like, actually I thought when I was reading it first time, I thought it was like Rhaina and Frank and all those who's like on Earth, not on Earth, like who's coming, because halfway through the book Rhaina comes, Jason finds out that Rhaina is coming, and then when Rhaina come and when I read that, I thought instantly that was the prophecy. Rhaina, Roman, and Leo, like some other, like Pippa or something, fight together against the army at the House of Hades. Yes, yeah, that was fine. Oh, Frank. Oh, Frank. I love Frank. I love him. I didn't love him in the second book, but as he got his character development, I loved him. I mean, in this book, he's like the main star in the over. He's like this huge hero who fights a war with dead zombie officers, and like he's just winning everything, and oof. I could see it clearly in my mind how it's going on. I was like, damn, but damn. I was like that. I mean, when I read the final battle, and yeah, and Leo and Calypso. When he finds when he said to Calypso that he swear on Styx that he will fight her, that was I instantly thought of that would be the what's it called, in the prophecy it says something with a promise to keep, oath to keep. Yeah, I instantly thought of that. I think that Leo will die trying to break the curse, and he will succeed, and like he has to give his life to Calypso to live, and that was the promise, that he will get her out of Ojeda, and yeah. So later today I will do my prediction video for Blood of Olympus, and I will do a chocolate book tag, and yeah, I got these ideas from Lara and Lara and Eric's channel. Just write Lara and Eric or write Blood of Olympus predictions, and you will just get it down there. They will come first. It's like a kid, two kids, a boy and a girl who's like do predictions, reviews, and yeah. I found them today, and yeah. So go down to their channel and subscribe, like, and I see you next time, I think. And comment down for suggestions to